Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain where you can buy really good quality and cheap batteries for your remote as well. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 3/4 series, guys. And if you have a problem where when you get in the vehicle or when you turn it off it says remote control replace battery message pop on the dash, on the cluster, stay with us. We'll explain what causes that, how to fix it, guys. We'll also talk where you can buy cheap batteries for your remote control for a fraction of the price instead of going to the dealership. All that will be covered today. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly take them apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Check it out. So let's go ahead, start on it now. So let me show you guys what we have here specifically. If we come right here on that BMW 3 Series, we're going to go ahead, okay, excuse me, open the door now. We'll enter in the vehicle. Okay, let me see now. It's waking up. Now that message randomly pop right there. You can see remote control replace battery before I even start the car, guys. Okay, let me see if I can turn the light off so you can see it. I don't know how. I think you can clearly see that. So what, guys, causes that now? It's, guys, okay, a weak battery in your remote control, and if it fails, okay, there is a special procedure to start it. We have a video on the channel that says how to start a BMW with a dead remote control battery. It will be on the channel. Check it out, guys. So let's go ahead and show you how to replace it now. So let's explain what we have here. The same remote control has been used practically on multiple BMWs from year 2011 all the way to, I think, 17, 18, something like that. So let's go ahead, guys. If you have that remote control style, let's go ahead and explain how to do that now. So right here, you're going to press on the back side. You're going to press right here. You can see you have a button. You press there and you pull the key out. If you come like that in an angle, you're going to notice that right here, okay, perfect, you have one hole where the key fits. If you get the key in, grab the key and push in, and now push kind of like up a little bit, okay. Watch out how I do it. I'm going to close it again. I want to show you from this angle. You go in and then I pry it, okay. I pry a little bit like that, not too much, not to break it. That cover comes out. You can see it just like that. Now that battery, okay, let me see if I can get it out with my fingers. Probably if you have your wife with longer nails, you might be luckier, guys. Okay, oh, just shake it like that, okay, and it comes out. We're going to get the new replacement battery, and this one, okay, let's see. Oh my goodness, what kind of thing is that? Okay, let's see now if it's going to come out. That thing is packed really good. Energizer right here, guys, they last a really long time. The original one is Varta. I've been using Energizer lately. And you grab it eventually. Come on, don't tell me that it has that child thing now, that child, whatever it was called, that I need to go ahead and cut open so children cannot get to the battery. You gotta be kidding me. So we're going to go ahead and cut it now. Okay, see if that's gonna fix the problem. Okay, and let's take it out. Finally, guys, finally it worked out. Goes face down with the plus sinus up. Okay, I'm going to go like that, press it down, you get the cover. I would recommend to dry, clear here everything, all the dust and contaminants. Press down, close it, you can see, and the battery has been replaced. So we have the new key for battery install now. I'm going to get inside. We're going to turn the ignition switch on. Let me leave the key where it can easily detect it. Let's see if we need to recycle through it a couple times. Okay, we go to vehicle control, ignition switched on, and TPMS light. Those are the only problems that we have now. the TP up, ignition switch is gone. The TPMS malfunction, TPM malfunction, we have a special video how to clear that as well, guys. But you can see, okay, practically, okay, it's ready, guys. You can see this battery solved our problem. That's how we get rid of that message. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.